Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept a string yes and print L lines based on the following conditions. In the first line, the program must print the first and last characters of yes. And in the second line, the program must print the first two and last two character of yes, but in reverse order. And in the third line, the program must print the first three. Let us change it as 3 here. Sorry, THREE. First 3 and last 3 characters of yes must be printed in reverse order. And similarly, the program must print for the remaining lines. Now let us consider for our test case. Orange is our test case. So the first line will be, first let us calculate the length, which is 6. So 6 lines must be printed. The first line contains the first and the last character of yes, so O and E will be printed. And in the second line, first two and the last two characters in reverse order, so R, O and E, G will be printed. Now in the third line, A, R, O and N, G, E, E, G, N will be printed. Now in the fourth line, first four characters N, A, R, O and E, G, N, A. Now in the fifth line, G, N, A, R, O and G, N, A, R, O and O, R, sorry, E, G, N, A, R. Now finally in the last line we have to reverse the full string, that is orange, so E, G, N, A, R will be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. First let us get the input, that is string yes. After getting the input, let us iterate over the loop for length of s times, because we need to print len of s times output. So for ctr in range, so let us have for ctr which ranges from 1 to ctr of len of s plus 1. So this ctr loop ranges from 1 to len of s plus 1. Inside this loop, first we are printing the first character. So let us have a variable called first ctr, so which prints the s of ctr, and we are reversing it for the further loops because we need to reverse and print. So let us use here the variable named first ctr, so it contains the first character. And let us have another variable called last character, which is equal to s of minus of ctr, and here we are also reversing it. Let us have, finally we are printing, let us have an underscore here, Finally, we are printing the sum of first character and second character, that is CTR. So first CTR plus last CTR. We can also directly print this. So let us eliminate this and we can directly paste this here. So CTR plus, here also we can directly paste this. So this will also print our required output.